The Apple Watch Ultra straps are certainly expensive, but what if I told you you could have an alternative for each at a fraction of the cost? As always, if you'd like to get your hands on any of these straps, the links are in the description below. With the Apple Watch Ultra being one hell of a force in the smartwatch market, it's no real surprise that Apple have attached a hefty price tag to their versions of the Alpine, Ocean and Trail straps. Cue Elixir. As usual, Elixir have come up trumps with their versions of these straps, and they are surprisingly close to Apple's official versions. Let's start off with the orange Alpine loop, shall we? Right out of the bag, this strap catches the eye. The combination of dueling oranges is just a perfect complement to the design of the Apple Watch Ultra. The colour of the strap is pretty much spot on. Even the material itself is soft to the touch. When placing the strap on the watch, we have to stand back and remark that it simply looks just like the Apple one. The strap sits nicely and has a quality look to it. And, more importantly, it's incredibly comfortable. In conclusion, as a like-for-like comparison, I would say this is an absolute winner. The second of 3 straps today is the Ocean Loop in black, and this is yet again another brilliant version of this strap. Out of the bag, you're instantly grabbed by how high quality this feels. The Elixir version hasn't cut back when it comes to quality and comfort. When we see the strap on the watch, we get a subtle yet distinct look, which is yet again pinpoint accurate to the Apple version. When I put this strap on, it feels secure, comfortable, and definitely something I would wear while swimming, running, or even at a pottery class. Yet again, Elixir have done a stunning job, and I think this would be a great all-round strap that would suit most people. Before we head over to the Trail Loop, are you subscribed? If not, then you're missing out. Really. So go on, take 5 seconds and hit that button. Okay, so here it is, the studio favourite, and that is Elixir's Trail Loop. From the moment you take this strap out of the packet, you're suddenly hit by the surprise that it isn't Apple's version. It feels virtually the same and looks almost identical. Of course, if you look incredibly closely, you will see that while it may lack things like the finesse of the detailed stitch of the Apple version, but really, are a few detailed stitches really worth 6 times the price tag of this? Now, when we place the loop on the Apple Watch Ultra, it just looks sensational. I think of all the watch strap designs, this is the most subtle and complementary. It's comfortable, up close, it looks great, the material is high quality, and even the Velcro compares to Apple's. So, rather than spend £100 on your next Apple Watch strap, consider the Elixir versions and save yourself a pretty penny. Or, just buy all of these and still save yourself some money. I've been Mark, and just like the Terminator, I'll be back.